How to change the headlight bulb in your 2006 to 2010 Jeep Commander. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley.
To get to the headlight, you need to remove this trim panel on top. If you look here, it slots in the front, so just pull it up from the back side and lift it out of the way. And you can see the light bulb assembly right here. You just need to twist it counterclockwise and it'll come right out. So grab the light, twist it counterclockwise and pull it out of the housing, and then just disconnect the bulb from the connector. Just like that. And take your replacement, snap it onto the connector, line up the bulb with the slots, and then twist it clockwise to lock it into position. And take the cover, slide it in, and snap it down. And the process is the same on the driver's side. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.